Thanks for listening to WKBN, but we have to interrupt the programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Trumbull County, Ohio, Stark County, Ohio, Portage County, Ohio, Mercer County, Pennsylvania, Lawrence County, Pennsylvania, effective from 3:16 p.m. to 10:16 p.m. Reason from Storm Prediction Center.
Temperature falling to around 80 in the afternoon. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Wednesday night, cloudy. Showers with thunderstorms likely in the evening, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. East of Kelly's Island to 29 nautical miles southwest. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cleveland, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Willowick, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Willoughby, Eastlake, Timberlake, Lakeline, Shaker Heights, South Euclid, Mayfield Heights, East Cleveland, Lyndhurst, University Heights, Wickliffe, Beechwood, Richmond Heights, and Willoughby Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga and Lake.
Thank you, Dale. Thank you guys for that weather update. Oh, sorry to interrupt the broadcasting, but we have to activate the emergency alert system. Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 5:45 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., radar indicated a tornado near Warren, northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, a tornado and golf ball-sized hail. Source, it was confirmed by radar. Impact, flying debris would be dangerous, caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. There's damage to vehicles and trees. If you're in a mobile home or a vehicle, move so close to substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris and also avoid windows.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for Trumbull County and Mahoning County. Shelter in place now. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Youngstown will get hit by the tornado.